Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to sign into your GumTree account on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for GumTree. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way onto the dock. Go to Launchpad. Go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. We can search for this. Enter to open up the web browser. And now what we can do is go to your search engine and type in GumTree. Click on the first option. Go to gumtree.com. Go to the top right corner where it says login and register. And now we can log in with Google, Facebook, or if we have an account for GumTree, which we do, let's just click on the email address. And this should now autofill in the password. We have this saved with LastPass if we ever require the password bank manager to take control and fill in the account credentials. Now let's click on login. And this will sign us into the account. Let's just add that to LastPass. And now this is the account. We can then create adverts and sell on GumTree and make money. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science videos from the start until now.